How to reverse aging with your Miracle Daily Dietary. Welcome to my video for today. In it, I'll talk about superfoods reverse aging. Your Miracle Daily Dietary. Be sure to first subscribe to my channel. To receive a notification anytime I upload a new video, click the bell button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and tell your friends about it. In order to more easily resolve this problem, let's try to learn more about it. Welcome to our video on the science behind aging. Aging is a natural process that affects all living organisms, including humans. It is characterized by a gradual decline in physical and mental abilities over time. But have you ever wondered what causes aging? Let's dive into the fascinating world of cellular biology to understand this phenomenon. At the core of aging are changes that occur at the cellular level. Our cells undergo a process called senescence, where they lose their ability to divide and function optimally. This leads to the accumulation of damage and the decline of various bodily functions. Additionally, there are external factors such as lifestyle choices, environmental factors, and genetic predispositions that can influence the aging process. By understanding the science behind aging, we can explore ways to slow down or even reverse its effects. So, join us as we embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of youthful living through the power of superfoods and antioxidants. In this section, we will delve into the fascinating world of superfoods and their role in reversing aging. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These powerful substances have been shown to combat the effects of aging by reducing inflammation, protecting against cellular damage, and promoting overall health. By incorporating superfoods into your diet, you can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to repair and regenerate cells, leading to a more youthful appearance and improved well-being. So, let's explore the incredible benefits of superfoods and how they can help us turn back the clock on aging. Now that we understand the role of superfoods in reversing aging, let's dive into the world of top superfoods that can help us achieve a more youthful and vibrant life. These superfoods are packed with an abundance of essential nutrients and bioactive compounds that have been scientifically proven to slow down the aging process. From nutrient-rich berries bursting with antioxidants to leafy greens teeming with vitamins, we will explore the incredible power of these foods in promoting skin health, boosting brain function, and enhancing overall vitality. So get ready to discover the secrets of these amazing superfoods and unlock the key to a more youthful you. As we continue our journey into the world of superfoods, it's time to unveil the powerful antioxidants that make these foods true heroes in the fight against aging. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our bodies. Superfoods are rich in antioxidants, and they work tirelessly to neutralize these harmful free radicals, preventing them from causing oxidative stress and inflammation. By incorporating superfoods into your diet, you can give your body the tools it needs to combat the signs of aging and promote overall health and well-being. From vibrant fruits like blueberries and pomegranates to nutrient-dense vegetables like kale and spinach, these antioxidant-rich superfoods are a game-changer for your youthful future. So let's dive deeper into the world of antioxidants and discover how they can unlock the secrets to a more vibrant and energetic you. Now that we understand the incredible benefits of superfoods and antioxidants, let's explore how we can easily incorporate these powerhouses into our daily diet. The key to reaping the rewards of superfoods is to make them a regular part of your meals and snacks. Start by adding a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to your shopping list. 1. Berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants. 2. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent choices too. You can enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. 3. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. They make great toppings for yogurt, oatmeal, or even as a crunchy snack on their own. 4. Another way to incorporate superfoods is by replacing Unhealthy ingredients with healthier alternatives. For example, swap refined grains with whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat bread. Instead of using butter or margarine, try using avocado or olive oil. And when it comes to sweetening your dishes, opt for natural alternatives like honey or maple syrup instead of refined sugar. 5. Extremely superfoods. Your Miracle Reverse Aging Dietary. If you seriously want to reverse the time clock for about 20 years younger within a year, then the following extremely superfoods are what you have to consume daily. However, it takes more time to grow yourself and a little more money. We talking about super microgreens. The big difference between super microgreens with all other vegetables and fruits which you buy in the supermarket is the living forces. When you eat microgreens, you consume 100% of their living forces. And because the living forces will fade away slowly after the vegetables were cut, what you consume from those vegetables, the ones you purchased from supermarkets, are vitamine or something like that, almost no living forces at all. Besides that, microgreen are far better than vegetables in the supermarket. Let's find out. Benefits of microgreens. Microgreens may be small, but from a nutritional point of view, they are mighty. In fact, a serving of microgreens is often a better source of vitamins and minerals than mature vegetables. They work well in all sorts of dishes, so it's easy to make them a regular part of your diet and comfortably hit your daily nutritional goals. The exact nutrient breakdown of microgreens differs from one variety to another, but in general, they are an excellent source of antioxidants and are high in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. They also have folate, which is great if you are on an MTHFR diet. 1. Broccoli microgreens. Wonderfully rich in minerals, broccoli microgreens are also one of the easiest varieties to grow at home. They are quite mild in flavor, although some people do find them just slightly bitter. And they have a nice crunchy texture. They are far more nutrient dense, about 500% more, than a head of mature broccoli, making them a great way for those who don't like the flavor of broccoli to still enjoy its benefits. 2. Watercress microgreens. Part of the Brassicaceae family, just like Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage. Watercress microgreens are very high in antioxidants. They have a peppery, slightly spicy flavor and are great mixed into salads or served with egg dishes. 3. Arugula microgreens. If you find mature arugula a little too bitter and peppery, then you might just enjoy arugula microgreens. The flavor is somewhat similar but milder, and the texture is deliciously succulent. They are relatively easy to grow, but they don't need as much moisture as other seeds. So take care not to overwater them if you're growing your own. You might also see these referred to as rocket or rucola microgreens. 4. Radish microgreens. These are great for bringing a touch of heat to your dishes, with a similar spiciness to the mature variety. They are some of the best microgreens to grow at home, because they flourish so well and are ready for harvesting within just 10 days of planting. 5. Onion microgreens. These don't just pack a punch in terms of nutrition. They have a powerful flavor too, very reminiscent of mature onions, and the perfect replacement for green onions or chives in your recipes. Onion microgreens are somewhat unique in the microgreens world, as they tend to be long and slender, with their black seed husks attached as they grow. You can eat the husks too. They add a delicious, slightly garlicky taste. If I had to pick my favorite microgreen, be patient if you decide to grow these at home. It can take up to 3 weeks before they are ready to harvest after planting. 6. Cabbage microgreens or kale microgreens. In addition to being among the healthiest microgreens to enjoy, red cabbage microgreens look great too, with a deeply pigmented purple color that pops in a salad. The flavor of cabbage greens varies a bit from one type to another. In general, though, they tend to have a delicate taste, something like a spinach, cabbage mixture with hints of broccoli. Kale microgreens are similar to cabbage microgreens in that they are both cruciferous and highly nutritious. 7. Red cabbage microgreens have some of the highest levels of ascorbic acids, carotenoids, phylloquinone, the dietary form of vitamin K, and tocopherols, the major forms of vitamin E. The study showed that other good choices are cilantro, garnet amaranth, and green daikon radish microgreens. By making these simple changes, you'll be well on your way to embracing a diet that supports youthful living and overall well-being. So go ahead and experiment with different recipes, get creative with your meal planning, and enjoy the journey towards a more vibrant and energetic you. In conclusion, we have uncovered the secrets to unlocking a youthful future through the power of superfoods. By incorporating these nutrient-dense wonders into our daily diet, we can reverse the aging process and enjoy a vibrant and energetic life. Superfoods are packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and protect our cells from damage. They provide us with essential vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that nourish our bodies from the inside out. From berries bursting with flavor and antioxidants to leafy greens brimming with nutrients, there is an abundance of choices to explore. And let's not forget about the omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants found in nuts and seeds, which offer a delightful crunch and a wealth of health benefits. By making simple swaps in our ingredients, such as choosing whole grains over refined grains, and using healthier fats like avocado or olive oil, we can further enhance the anti-aging properties of our meals. So, let's embrace this journey towards a more youthful future. By experimenting with different recipes, getting creative with our meal planning, and savoring the delicious flavors of superfoods. Remember, age is just a number, and with the power of superfoods, we can rewrite our story and live life to the fullest. Here's to a vibrant and radiant you. In my video for today, I want to focus on introducing you to that most crucial knowledge. Remember to thoroughly and diligently follow these instructions every day, and to put what you just learned in this video into practice. You will see significant progress very quickly. I appreciate your interest and hope to see you in the next video. The more times you watch our videos, the more attractive you'll become. Your perfect beauty is our obsession, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you always look forever young. Please subscribe, share, and like this video if you find it entertaining. Have many pleasant days and bye.